I'm sitting in a 2021 Hyundai Venue. Takes this remote key here. Sorry for the dim lighting, it's in a parking garage. It's a brand new key. The car was locked. Someone opened it, you can see that the hazards are going on here. Now, all you have to do, you don't need a key turned, just go to Venue, go to key coding, go to 2020, it's a 21, no change. Go to remote control 1, program remote, don't need a key in there. Boom, done. Only doing our own remotes, no more. That's it. That turned the alarm off. You can see that it's not active anymore. Right there. Here's our key. Put it into the key switch. Just a second, there you go, turn it on. And it starts. Make sure to press your unlock button on your remote control. That'll turn the alarm off, and that also will allow it to start. If you lock it, it'll prevent it from starting, but all you have to do to override the alarm with no remote, just leave the key on for a minute, and then go from on to crank, and it'll start and turn the alarm off. That is all.